Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start next lesson, that is the third lesson of the PD2. Till now we have completed two lessons, and now today Microsoft PowerPoint 1. The PowerPoint is a presentation software, and it is used to present the project. You can present your project in the form of the slides, and slides are the pages. On these pages you can draw your custom animations, except that you can insert your files, word files, documents, shapes, etc. Except the PowerPoint, some more presentation softwares are here which we can use. For example, Adobe Connect, Google Slide, or the OpenOffice. About the PowerPoint 10, if you want to run the PowerPoint in your computer, you have to install the MS Office 10, and it is a package. With this you can use the MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, etc. And the PowerPoint is a powerful tool. As I told you that you can insert the Word file, and except that other features like speaker notes, etc. can be added. If you want to start the PowerPoint, you have to click on the start and Microsoft Office, after that Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see on the screen the main window is showing on the screen. It is the main window of the PowerPoint, and different components are given of the PowerPoint window. Firstly, about the placeholders. The placeholders are the text areas where you can type your text, and the slide panes is the total area of the slide where you can draw your shapes, animation, etc. And split bar, it divides the area of the slides. And at the bottom you can see notes pane. Notes pane are used to give the notes about the slide. And at the right bottom corner, you can see zoom slider. It is used to minimize or maximize the size of the slide. And view buttons are given. These are the views of the slide, means you can view your slide in the different views. Even about the tabs also, it is defined. On the upper section you can see different tabs are given: file tab, home tab, etc. In the file tab you can use the clipboard, and it is used for cutting, copying, or pasting the text. And except that, hopefully you know very well about the cut, copy, paste. Except that uh, you can customize your font, you can change the font size, color, except that making it bold, italic, underline. I have told you about all these in the MS Word also. You can see here B word, this one B for the bold, I for italic, and U for underline. And you can insert a bullet or number also in MS Word. I told you everything about this one. And you can align the text, left alignment, right alignment, center alignment. If you want to fill the color in the shapes, one button is there, shape fill. Firstly you have to select the shape, and after that you can use this button for filling the color in the shape. And here are some guidelines which you can use for making the effective slide. For example, keep it simple. Your slide should be simple, and you should not make it too complex. Means to the viewer it should be a simple slide so that it can be easily understood. And minimize the facts and the figures, and accept that a lot of points are there. The main thing it is that your slide should be very easy to understand the other person, and color combination should be in the meaningful way. Means it should be vibrant, and images you can insert naturally, graphics. Finally the conclusion is there that first impression of your slide will be the last impression, and your slide should be very easy to understand. So dear students, even though if you have any question regarding this, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.